Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a while since my last long form video, but I wanted to come back today because I wanted to share an incredible milestone. After 5 years and 225 videos, the Chicago Griller officially passed the 20,000 subscriber mark right here on YouTube last night. But it's not just my milestone, it's one that I want to share with all of you out there. This channel started off as a pandemic project to teach myself how to shoot and edit video, but has evolved into something much more than that. It's become a creative outlet for me, both online and in the kitchen. But best of all, this has proven to be a great community to build and interact with. Who would have thought that there would be 20,000 passionate Weber-Q grillers out there who want to learn and grow, and most importantly, eat really well together. I guess I finally have an excuse to pop this mini bottle of champagne that's been sitting in my fridge. I wish I could share it all with you, but thank you very much for being an integral part of my journey. Anyways, it's been about a month since my last long form video, and for that I truly, sincerely apologize. That said, I was inspired recently by a restaurant visit here in Chicago, and I have a recipe that I really want to try to duplicate. So let's waste no more time and let's go crank up the gas and fire up the grill. You're going to want to stay tuned to see what I have cooking. Thanks again for joining me on my journey to 20,000 subscribers. Be sure to stay tuned, and I cannot wait to see you all again next time. Bye.